Right then, a nice little Burl that I don't know what it is. Okay, a couple of things this week. Right, I'm after getting a new wireless mic. I want you to tell me, if you wouldn't mind, down in the comments what the sound is like. I've tried it a couple of times and I'm getting kind of mixed reactions from the family. So if you could tell me what you think of it, is it good, is it bad, whatever, right? And the other thing is, as I said, this is a nice piece of Burl. As far as I remember, I got this from Richard Phelan. Richard, I know you watch the videos. Can you tell me what this is? Because I can't remember. I can guarantee when you gave it to me, you told me, but I can't remember what you said this one was. Right. So first thing I'm going to do is round it off, flatten it off here, face it off, put it in, put a mortise into it, and then stick it in a chuck, or well, shape the side obviously, and then stick it in a chuck. So we'll do that. It's only going to be a small bowl, but I think it's going to be pretty, right? Let's start right here, right. I'm going to flatten it off. I don't want a little foot in this. Yeah, I do actually. Put a little tiny little foot in this. That's just a low foot. Right, now we start shaping it. I want to put another edge on this gouge first though. Right then, counter off. Bring it into the foot. Then a small little foot on it. The markings in this are going to be gorgeous with the looks of it. Start cutting. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Right, I'll do a pull cut to get down to that foot. Yeah, the curve is now down to the foot. So I'm going for the simple shape on this because it's so small and the markings in it are so nice. There's no need to do anything with it. There's a bump just there. I don't want to do too much to this because I do not want to mess around with that. Isn't that gorgeous? The cracks in it there. I'm gonna have to do something with those. But isn't that just gorgeous? Right, I'm gonna do something about all those little cracks in it. It's gonna be sawdust and CA. I'm gonna let that set. And I'm gonna get back to it. So I'll do that and I'll be back in a sec. Alright, now fill all those cracks. And I'm just going to start sanding and I'm going to sand that off because I don't want to change the shape of this bowl at all. I'll lose any of it. But I'd love to. I wish I could remember what picture told me this was. Because it's gorgeous. Right, I'll sand this. I'll be back in a second. Alright then, just popping the wax off. Now, I actually had a reason for wanting to do this bowl in this video. I was browsing through the Woodturning Facebook pages, as you do, and somebody made a comment that it's not worth turning small bowls to show turn big ones. Right? Now, it's basically size snobbery, and I must admit, it's something all wood turners do. I think guilty of it myself. Right? But the thing is, if you only turn big bowls, if your first thought when you're turning something is size, then you're gonna miss some beautiful stuff. Like, look at that. Isn't that one of the most beautiful pieces of wood you've ever seen? And if I only turned big stuff deliberately, I'd never seen that. Isn't that just stunning? Right, I'm gonna flip this over and then we'll get onto hollowing it. As I said, this isn't gonna be a long video, it's a small bowl. But it's a beautiful bowl. Alright then, we're flipped over. So we'll level it off and start hollowing. Check them level all the way around. I am. Alright, we'll hollow this out. Tail well back out of the way. That's more like it. There's another one. I'm going to take one complete finish cut on this at the end. This is normal with Burl. There's little voids in it that I will sort out. That was a really bad cut just there on the edge. That's better. So I'm going to take a finished cut on this, probably the negative brake scraper. See those little voids in there? They're going to have to be sorted out. Yeah, that's good. Right now, without taking it off the chuck, I'll take chuck and all off. I'm going to fill those little voids. So I'll do that, be back in a second. Alright then, all those little voids are filled. I've put a new bore on the negative brake. I'm not, I'm not expecting to get massive shavings off this wood because it's extremely hard. But I do want to remove all that CA that I put in there. There's a line there that I'm not hitting for some reason. See it? Just there. I need to get that. Got it. Right now. Now we will sand and finish the inside of that. And I'll be back when I'm buffing the wax off. So, I'll be back in a sec. Right then, just buffing the wax off. And the inside is just as pretty as the outside. Yeah, I had the absolute pleasure last week. I got a visit from a subscriber from the States, Bill Miller, and his wife. Lovely people, absolutely lovely people. And Bill brought over a couple of pens for playing with my wife, and they're gorgeous. My wife loves those. She's been using it ever since. Uh, I have mine on my bedside table because I frequently think of things at night for turning. And I just jot them down. It's absolutely beautiful pens. And, as I said at the start, I'm trying out a new mic here. Still have the old one, so if this one's bad, then I won't bother using it again. But it's a new wireless mic I bought, just so I'm not dragging that wire around the place. Please drop a comment on how's the sound, if you wouldn't mind. If there's not the take out of this video, it's especially guys who sell their stuff. We get stuck into this thing of big balls, big balls, big balls, big balls. And we forget how much beauty there is in a small bowl. Right? So something that you might try, right, is have a look in their shelves or storage, wherever you hold your wood. Have a look for that little bowl blank, that 6, 7, 8 inch bowl blank that's been sitting there for years and you haven't touched. And give it a go. It's actually quite nice to turn a small bowl when all you do is turn big ones. It's quite nice. Silly little tacky there in the middle. There it goes. Yeah. Okay, my tackiness has gone off it now. Isn't that just a stunningly gorgeous piece of wood? That down there reminds me of painting. I think it's called Starry Night, I think. But it's absolutely beautiful. If somebody knows the painting I'm on about, it's not Starry Night, can you correct me in the comments, please? That is absolutely a stunning piece of wood. Right, I'll take it off and I'll give you a better look at it. So I'll be back in a sec. Right, there we have it. Absolutely stunning little 6.5 by 2.5 Burr bowl. Richard, if you see this, which I don't know if you will or not, mate, can you just drop it down in the comments what this wood is? It's absolutely gorgeous, I tell you. It might be laburnum, I'm thinking, but I'm not 100% sure. But it is absolutely stunning wood, mate. Absolutely stunning. Thank you very much for the like. So if you enjoyed that one, got that nailed it. And remember, go and have a look in your shelves for one that's been lying there for ages. You might get something nice. So if you wouldn't mind clicking like on the video, and I'll see you in the next one.